Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope by the name of Almighty all of you are happy and healthy. So today I'm going to give you another figure drawing tutorial. But this time I have made this video into two parts. First one is only drawing portion and second part will be how to color on it. As I told you before that you always need to measure your subject by taking proportion of the head of every figure. First of all, draw a circle as a head. So I am taking the measurement by the head to feet. So you can see the right side pictures. The subject divided into 5.5. When you draw a seated subject, the proportion should be little less by the figure structure, and other body parts proportion should be the same. When you have done for taking proportion, now try to create a rough drawing before complete the details. It will help you to create a structure of the figure. Some of you are like to do quick sketch from regular movement of the figure. So you can apply this technique for quick sketch. You can see the right side structure I have created for this subject. You must gather knowledge about anatomy and their joint program. It is really helpful and it will help you to create any kinds of figure. I will give you every details step by step. You can see here I am taking the same proportion like my previous video. Please watch my previous video for proportion details. To improve your skill about figure drawing, I always suggest you to practice what you saw in your daily life. Like you are home and your mom working or your brother reading book. So make quick sketch of them in your daily sketchbook. Must improve proportion. Otherwise, you may improve into your drawing, but there will be lacking of proportion in your drawing. So must do practice with proportion. You can make quick sketch by using only anatomy or grammatical shape, then use muscle later. In figure, there is most important is structure. When I draw, always you can see that first I create a structure, then I gave the details on it. There is lots of lines. When you start quick drawing, you need to use more line to create a structure. This is natural. In the end, only one line will remain and you have to remove other extra line. And this method not only for figure drawing, you can use this method in every subject like still life, landscape, portrait and many more. So I was talking all about is called gesture line. So what is gesture line or gesture drawing? The answer is gesture drawing or line is a loose form of sketching that attempts to capture your subject basic form and express movement. As an artist, you will find that gesture drawing is rather freeing. It is form of expression that is neither abstract or realistic. Just few lines to create outline of your subject. It is quite simply a quick sketch in which your hand follows your eyes. So now enjoy the drawing. Thanks dear everyone. Hope you understand some basic of figure drawing. Next part I will show you how to apply color on it. Till then, take care. Bye bye.